The Ajivika Craft Center program of End Poverty is a 4-year-old program in which End Poverty has been trying to upskill the women's domestic sewing skills and link them to the market so that they can have a earning other than farm earnings and domestic work that they have. So we used to see a lot of quilts hanging in the courtyards of the women there in the Tijara block of Rajasthan, and we found that this has the potential to be converted into a realistic livelihood and be scaled so that it can become a business for the women. We have been reasonably successful for the first 3-4 years because we have been able to give design inputs. We have been able to train them into being efficient. We have had people support us like the Gen Initiatives of the UK, iPartner India. Then we've got corporate support from Sage Publications, from export companies which give us cloth donations. So we have been chugging along. The actions that we want to take with these women is that we want to make them into self-sustainable groups. They need to become owners of the business. They need to understand the business. They need to have financial literacy, make the money grow. They need to make profit from the business, and they must feel that they own the business or at least co-own it. Their mobility is an issue, so we have been giving them doorstep services. We take designers to them, we take the raw material to them, and yet they must also come out at this stage. So the impact that we envision for them is that they would become further empowered because of the decision making that they would be doing in a company as a group. How much cloth they should receive, what are the products they will make, and progress, put the money in the bank, maybe make it grow, make it have interest, profit from their savings, and so on. So the entire compass should be covering 360 degrees of their life rather than just the skill and narrower basis.